You drop one on the ground? Want to get that one? Your turn. You do it. It's your turn. Not my turn anymore. It's your turn. Go for it. Yay, Brayden. Nice. Nice. Yay. Did you say 1, 2, 3? I heard that. Is it my turn? You gotta put it on the board. Yay! Look at you, you're so good at that. Yay, Brayden. And do it again. Your turn, you do it. Not my turn, it's your turn. Yay. Good job. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, we're supposed to have 6. Where's the other one? Is it on the ground? Right there. Can I pick it up? Get the one that's on the ground. Right there. You don't see it? It's on the ground. Right there. Yay. So that's number 6. Oh, gotta go stick it on something else. Clever. Silly. All right. Nice. You're doing good.